Hello everyone. So in the last video we have seen sorry guys, the importance of making this variable as private variables, right? So what I said you guys was I gave you a chance, okay? I said you okay, now you are going to set the variable values, you are going to use setter methods. No any no direct assigning scenarios, right? I will tell you why, but no direct assigning scenario is not in use, okay? You should use setter methods, okay? But still I was giving you the opportunity of assigning the values directly, right? That means object name dot variable name is equal to the value. So what I want to do is to make sure you are using only this, you are only going through this proper way, okay? I want to make sure that how can I do it? I can prevent the next way from happening, okay? So if I stop this way, or if I made this way impossible, then you have only this choice, and this is the legit choice. So if you want to assign values to the variable, you have to use this set methods, right? Set wheels or set color or whatever, okay? So how to break this? I mean, how to make this impossible, okay? How can I avoid you from assigning the variables directly? So here we have our private access modifiers, okay? So don't think much if you don't know them. You will see that in later videos, but if you know them, that's really good, okay? So that means when you are saying private, okay, before a variable or before a class, before a variable or before a method or something. So let's say when you are telling this variable is private, okay, when you are using the keyword or word private before a variable declaration, then you will not be able to use this particular variable out of this file. Only inside this file, or in another word, out of this class you cannot access this variable directly, okay? So here how do we access? We access it directly, right? myCar.color, direct access, okay? So myCar object is created from the car class, okay? So then .color you are saying, okay? So that means direct access, okay? So this is prevented by using this private keyword. That's what I want to happen, right? I want to stop the direct access, so I'm stopping it. You see this, guys, right? You can't assign like this now, okay? You can use this because what's the point? This method, okay, the set color method is public. See, that means anywhere you can use the method, or in another word, it is not private. You can think like that, okay? You don't make it private, okay? So that means it is not limited to this class, you can use it anywhere. So you have the opportunity to use this set methods for colors and wheels, so you can use it anywhere you want. So I am preventing this from happening. You don't want to use this, okay? I mean, you don't need to use this directly because you have this. What is the problem? Okay, guys, so I made this private so that you are not able to assign the value directly. You cannot give this. You see, there's an error. The field car.color is not visible because I made it private. That's all, okay? That's cool. So anyway, I am not that means I am not going to set these values directly because what? Excuse me, guys, because it is illegit. We can't do it, okay? So, and it is private, so I will comment these lines, okay? So I have commented them, okay? So in another word, I will try to comment it properly. I will undo this. I will comment manually, okay? I will add this one comment and I will add the I'll make it comment again, okay? So both have become comments now, okay? What is this happening here? Okay, guys, hold on, people. Okay, nice. So now we have already used the setters methods. So I think I have tried these things just to show there is an error coming if you are trying directly assigning, okay? So anyway, I have already used these setters and getters, I mean setter methods, I'm sorry, to assign the number of wheels and also the color, right? It's totally fine because in the last video also we have done this. Sorry, guys. So we have done this, and now also we have prevented and removed this. So now the only choice you have is using the methods, right? Setter methods. Okay, so set car, wheel, set color, and you can write any number of variables inside the class and write setter methods for those variables, okay? For those variables, okay? So now there is another problem occurring. What is that? Now, by preventing this variable from being directly accessed from outside what do you call places, okay, apart from this class file, okay, anywhere else out of this file. We have prevented this. So while we are preventing this, we obviously prevent the setting scenario. Yes, you cannot set directly, but also we are preventing this as well. You see what we are doing here? We were trying to access the variable value so that we can print this. You see this? That is how I printed, right guys? So once I set them using the set methods, now I was trying to access this variable so that I can print this. But now I have prevented, okay, by doing this I have prevented the variable to be accessed outside of this file. Anywhere you cannot access it directly. Okay, you cannot say this. Okay, you cannot say this. Already you cannot say this to assign the value, but the problem is while you are avoiding it from direct access, you cannot use it for getting the value also for printing purposes. Okay, because I said it is private so that you cannot access it anywhere. My purpose is initially assigning the value, but the problem is what? While I am saying private and while I am avoiding the direct access, I also lose this opportunity as well. I cannot retrieve the value. Okay, I cannot retrieve this current value that is being set using the setter methods. I cannot retrieve them. Okay guys, and I cannot print it. So I should find a solution for that, right? Okay guys, so that solution we will see in the upcoming video guys. Until then, stay tuned guys, and catch me up in the next video guys.